welcome to Marina's channel here. We got an issue going on.
Can you get me a pot, please?
Oh my god. Oh no, this is my slime. Normal. But her slime's like, yeah.
I need a pot, please.
Hold on. Grandma, can I give her a pot?
Casey, I'm not kidding.
Me either, I'm serious.
Hurry.
Okay. Grandma, can we give her a pot? She needs a pot. That's full of overflowing.
Yes, okay. Hurry, Casey. It's getting stickier and stickier by the moment. Here. That's not gonna work. Oh my god.
Here. Jesus.
Oh my god, I gave up.
Okay, guys, you know what? We're doing everything we could here. Putting everything we can inside here.
Oh no.
Oh,
No, Casey,
that's gonna help
glue.
it. That's gonna help it. That makes it unstickier.
What are you talking about? Unstickier.
It makes it not sticky.
Casey, can you pull up my sleeves, please?
I have wet arms. Oh, we're gonna do this. We're gonna add as much ingredients as we can.
No, Casey, no.
Oh, it's working.
Casey, pull up my sleeves, please.
We have them. Take it off.
I can't.
Come on, woman. Oh no.
No,
Ready?
no,
We're
no.
gonna slide it through. 1, 2, 3. It's probably all inside. Oh no, it's not.
I can't do the other arm.
Okay, well we're gonna have to. 1,
No, you're gonna get it all inside her.
3.
We'll
We
put
have to
that-
wash this. She has slime all over. Okay, we're gonna get
Okay.
that covered.
No, Casey.
No, move.
It's gonna mess it up.
Oh, it's not. It's what my god. My god, that's loud. Watch out, watch out. I know how to handle slime. Don't rub it all on me. Oh yeah, this is just wonderful. Don't get it stuck to my hairy arms, boy. Take your phone.
I can't.
Wash it. Try not to get water in my slime though. Oh, those are going in the trash. Sorry, Grandma. We ruined your thingies. Put more shaving cream.
Okay. Where's the shaving cream? Where'd it
Right
go?
here.
Oh.
No, you got me stuck on this, really? No, you're the head. Okay, that's good.
I'm gonna help you.
Put the solution
Where'd it go?
right
Oh.
there. Put it on my hands because they're like, it's stuck to my hands.
Oh, no, we're running out.
Get it off my hands. Get this off my hands.
We're gonna make this work.
We're going to do it until it works. Okay, pull it off my hands. Pull. No, that's it. That's it. If you put too much.
You only got a few minutes. Grandma needs to get in the kitchen.
Fudge! This is your slime, Marina. I don't know how to tell you. Grandma! This is a mess. It's like stuck. Marina's slime didn't come out. I feel bad.
No, it's coming out.
It's a gummy. Oh, I don't care. I'm touching it. Marina, okay, you're all over my hand. Get off of me.
What else do you need?
She said it's coming out. We need more food coloring.
More?
Yeah,
Okay, what color?
whatever color you want. It's your slime. It's your beautiful slime that didn't come out. Okay. That's a lot.
What do we need more of?
We're vlogging, guys, so this is her slime. It's coming out.
More? What does it need more of?
Oh, I want this one.
No!
No, you're getting that one over there.
No!
Nope.
Oh, you can go over there. Okay, I'm gonna pour yours in here.
Smile.
You don't bring that out here, Casey.
This is what vlog. I don't know. I'm gonna have to feel both of our slimes and see which one's better, and then I'll take the better one.
Oh, you're rude.
Here, take it.
Ew.
We're gonna should send this to Angela. Be like, boo boo, you having so much fun, aren't you? Yeah, and you're a butthole, Angela. No. We're really going to send this to her. I am.
Oh, shoot.
Oh, my. It's not that bad anymore, is it?
Let's mix it.
No!
Why not?
Oh, my God. I'm keeping all of it.
No!
Okay, then. Okay, we can mix it, but you only take half of it.
Half and half.
Half and half. And
I was trying to get it away
call
from
you
you.
Angela.
Angela's not here right now.
Bad boy. You hear that? This
going
game.
Let's go like this. Back and forth.
Hold on, let go.
Go on live. We should go on.
Yeah, end it. But post it on
I
YouTube.
can't.
Post it on YouTube. You're like, I can't. Here, take this. Put it on my hands. Take it off. FaceTime your mom. FaceTime your mom. Bye. Thank you. Hey, back at it again, guys. We're sort of done, but sort of. Oh, okay.
Mine's gray.
Show your slime. Yeah, hers is gray. You like
It
my
looks
feet?
blue, but
It's okay.
it's gray.
They're sort of. My slime is sort of okay, but it is.
Add more shaving cream. That's what I did. I added
Look
bunch.
at, look at it. It's so satisfying.
We should make a satisfying
Video.
video. Yeah.
Yeah, so
Let me take this off my hands first.
when you smack.
Guys, guess what happened? I almost died in the war room.
What?
The war room.
What is the war room?
When we were making the slime.
Oh my God! We need to be in an extra baking slime competition. We would be the messiest girls in there. It would be freaking cornstarch flying everywhere. You're like,
It got in.
I got it. My cornstarch got. She got cornstarch in the fishbowl,
Because I couldn't reach.
and then it fell inside the fishbowl, and
Yeah.
my fish is gonna die now.
Not your fish.
Oh, it's Abby's fish. Well, still, she's gonna be disappointed.
It's not gonna die. It's still alive right there. It's still swimming.
Huh?
Just kidding. I didn't hear that.
I heard everything.
No, then. Got people watching.
Nobody's even watching.
Someone will be watching.
Okay, well, Angela, I know you're jealous of us, so she is.
How do you know?
Look at her. She's like. What? We need to whiten our teeth.
Oh yeah. What just made you remember about that? Ow!
My teeth are brown. Ow! I think we're interactive twins, bro.
Interactive twins, bro.
Bro.
So to get it off your hands, you just
Smack that butt.
snap.
You just smack that butt, bro. Oh yeah. Ooh.
We're having fun, by the way.
I'm not. I'm having a
This
wonderful.
isn't my home.
Just kidding.
It's all over my arm. It's everywhere. My hands are gray, blue, every color you can think of.
All right. Well. Oh wow, we're not even recording. I'm just kidding. Okay. Well, here's my slime.
Bye, Angela.
Bye, Angela.
Bye, Angela.
Here's her slime. This is the slime's overall.
When are we gonna mix it?
And that's my mom. And yeah, that's our video today.
Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed our wonderful time. Please subscribe to dang it. Channel. What is that? Is that
Okay, we're not.
So our slime's done.
Our slime's like after done kneading it and everything, it's done.
Okay, let me put this here. Oh, and we got some tattoos. One right here. One right
She has one on
here.
her neck. I only have one. because mine messed up. But our hands are good.
Mine isn't that sticky. Like, it's perfect. Ours is perfect.
Ours is perfect. Like,
After all of that.
after that mess you've seen before in the video, it's
Is it?
perfect. It was
It
worth
makes me
it.
look bad.
Everything's always worth it. Worth it.
It's good?
End it.
Okay, bye. Hope you make some slime with us, and this is my hands. It took
Oh,
like how many? A whole bottle of food coloring glue,
And 2 bottles of glue and cheese.
a whole bottle of shaving cream. Okay, bye.